Hello, my lovelies. So, I recently purchased some products from Dot and Key Skincare, and there was an offer going on, buy two get three free. So, I thought it is a steal deal. So, I ordered a bunch of products from there. So, let's start with the first product, that is the Water Drench Hydrating Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. So, it says it has 5 essential ceramides, and you can see the concentration. It is quite thick, and I really like it because it is thick and it will provide a good hydration in your skin. And you can see how beautifully it is giving me that glow. So I'm showing it on my hand because right now I have makeup on, so, and it is not at all sticky. So I really love this. I don't want to come to any conclusion now because I want to use it, but I think it will be really good on the skin. So the second product which I got is this Ceramides and Hyaluronic Skin Barrier Repair Face Cream with pH 5.5. So I have been saying this product on my feed from last, I don't know how many months. So I really wanted to try this, and I'm really glad that I got this. It is so hydrating, so smooth to apply, and it gives you instant glow from within, and I'm loving this product. I can't wait to try it on. I think it will work good for my skin. So the next product is the Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Eye Cream. It has SPF 30, so it is for my under eyes. So I don't have a lot of dark circles, but because I apply makeup, so I thought I should get an under eye cream for my eyes. So I really hope it works because it is feeling really good on the skin. I really hope it will be better under my eyes. So the next product is this hair mask. So it has Moringa and Argan oil. So it is for hair fall control. So it is a really thick consistency. I'm really loving it. So now it is the free product which I got, and it is Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel, and it is so tiny, so cute, and it smells so great. It is in a gel form, and I think it will be really good for the nighttime routine. So yeah, and it smells divine. I can't wait to try all these products. I'm really loving that it is in a gel form. So I have a combination skin. I think it will be really great for my skin. So now you can see the difference between my two hands. So this hand I have applied all the products, and this is the hand which I haven't. So these were the products that I ordered, and I don't want to review it right now. So I'll be using these products, and I'll come back to you. Hope it helps.